think you might be right now. We about to warm you up. We about to get it hot. We about to bring the spirit of a man that we all know and love right here to St. Helena Island, all the way from the Apollo, all the way from North Augusta, South Carolina, all the way from Augusta, Georgia. We about to bring the original, the Godfather of soul right here back to you. What y'all remember? Anybody know something about getting funky? What y'all know about getting funky? Y'all know but not wanting to call nobody's name because you might not want nobody to know y'all been here. Y'all know about that? Y'all know that I don't know karate, but I know what? Crazy. Well, we about to go ahead and cut this flow up because we gonna bring this brother who got a name like another part of South Carolina, Sumter, Brother Jesse. But when he get to the stage, y'all gonna say, why Queen Quake called that wrong name? Because I know who is up there. The one, the only man that know how to bring soul, bring funk. Who gonna make it funky? All right. Is the one and the only James Brown. When I say James, can you say Brown? James. James Brown. When I say Brown, can you say James Brown? James Brown. James. When I say Jesse, you say Sumter. Jesse, Sumter. Jesse, Sumter. When I say Sumter, you say Jesse. Sumter. Jesse, Sumter. Jesse. I say James, you say what?
Brown.
What?
Brown.
James what?
Brown.
James what?
Brown.
Make it funky. The one and the only.
All right.
How's everybody doing?
All right.
Beautiful, South Carolina, I'm here.
All right.
Thank you for inviting me out here. I hope you enjoy what I'm going to do for you.
All right.
We got to let the women out there know what we've got to do for us, fellas. Fellas, are you here with me?
Yeah.
Are you here with me, guys?
Yeah.
Bang! Let's hit this thing phone, bang. Yeah. I know it. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Get up off of that thing. Then dance you be better. Get up off of that thing. Then dance. Hit that. Get up off of that thing. And dance you feel better. Get up off of that thing. Try to release that pressure. Get up off of that thing. Then shake you be better. Get up off of that thing. Then shake. Hit that. Get up off of that thing. And shake you feel better. Get up off of that thing. Try to release that pressure. I want them funky home. I need them funky home. I want them funky home. Hit it. Come here on the floor. Come on. I get them off of that thing. Shake it, be better. Get them off of that thing. And shake it, feel better. Hit that. Get them off of that thing. Good God, release that pressure. Now get them off of that thing. And shake it, be better. Get them off of that thing. And shake it. Come down. I tell you what. Yeah. Bang. Hit it. Thank you. How like that? I had to do it for you like that because let you know James Brown is still with us as long as I'm alive.
All right.
I'm trying to give it to you like he would do it. Okay? Y'all feeling good out there? I know it's cold out here. I'm going to do that song a little later on. Cold Sweat. I want you to break out into a cold sweat. There you go. Bang! Let's hit this one from bang. Wow! I feel good. I knew that I would now. I feel good. I knew that I would now. So good. So good. I got you. Wow! I feel nice. Sugar and spice. It's all right.
That's all right.
I know something that y'all don't know. The young lady got a jaw and it's sure enough good and tight. Come on. Oh, honey, I love you forever. Honey, honey. Oh, honey, baby, want you to hold me. Honey, honey, I want you to hold me tonight. I don't want to be lonely, girl. I don't want to be blue, girl. As long as I'm loving you, you know what? I want you to love me too. Never have to testify. If I do, I know I'll be back again. I'm loving you. I wanna be. Girl, let me be where you are. Girl, I wanna make you shine. Girl, I wanna make you shine. Oh, darling. Ooh, I wanna make you shine. Shine like a star. I'll be sitting by the window. I'll be sitting by the window as the train pass your house. As the train pass your house, I'll be on that train. Oh yeah, I'll be on that train. Good God Almighty, I'll be on that train. Ooh-wee, I'll be on that train. I want to thank y'all. I want to thank you for coming out tonight. I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank you. Oh yeah. Gonna ride. Gonna ride. Gonna ride. We're gonna ride that train. We're gonna ride the train tonight. Good God Almighty, we're gonna ride, oh Lord, gonna ride that train tonight. Oh yes we will. Oh, you won't see me standing by the station. Cause I'll be somewhere on that train. You won't see me standing nowhere. Cause I know I'll be somewhere on that train. We're gonna ride, oh Lord, gonna ride on that train. Good God Almighty, we're gonna ride, oh yeah, gonna train. Oh yeah, I'll be somewhere on that train.